At that time, the school's academic session was going on. The 9th and the 10th grade students were busy in their annual party, whereas some students were appearing in their examinations. So that's why at the moment army have cordoned off the area and they are searching that where these militants are hiding, or even they have made some people hostages, but we have the report that maximum number of the students and the teachers and other employees have been evacuated. In the health officials, they are confirming 16 casualties and more than 23 were injured, whereas some sources say that more than 16 people have been, including some students, have been killed and around about 30 were injured. So this is not getting confirmed because the army and the police have cordoned off the area. Nobody is allowed to go over there. Even in the city, whole of the city is giving the picture of that as a blockade are everywhere.
Can you...
Is allowed to go over to that school area, whereas from that area some vehicles are coming to the parkland areas, but still the road of the city has been blocked. The army, the police and the elite force is there. The APC is there and they are trying to control over the situation. Sometimes